To get your Cash App account back, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the correct phone number or email address associated with your account. If you have the correct login credentials, try logging into your account. If you are unable to log in, tap the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset your password. If you are still having trouble accessing your account, contact Cash App support. You can do this by tapping the profile icon on the Cash App home screen, then scrolling down and selecting Support. From there, you can browse the Help Center or contact support directly. When contacting support, provide as much information as possible about your account, including your name, phone number, and email address. This will help the support team verify your identity and assist you with recovering your account. In some cases, Cash App may require additional verification to ensure the security of your account. This may include providing identification or answering security questions. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the support team to complete the verification process. To prevent losing access to your account in the future, make sure to keep your login credentials secure and up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can recover your Cash App account and maintain its security.